Dear students, welcome back to your education channel Learn and Educate, where we were studying a few basics under the Companies Act 2013. Continuing that, today we will be studying about Section 2, Clause 26, Contributory. Contributory means a person who is liable to contribute towards the assets of the company in the event of its being wound up. As per the liability clause of the memorandum, under Section 4, subsection 1, the liability shall, whether limited or unlimited, shall also state, as per the liability clause, as in the case of a company which is limited by share, the liability of its members is limited to the amount to the unpaid amount on the share capital held by them, if any. And B, in the case of any company which is limited by guarantee, the amount up to which each member undertake to contribute will be to the assets of the company in the event of its being wound up when he is a member of the company within a period of 1 year or after he ceases to be a member, towards the payment of the debt and liabilities of the capital of the company, of such debts and liabilities as may have been contracted before he ceases to be a member, as the case may be, and towards the cost, charges and expenses of winding up, and for adjustment of the rights of the contributories among themselves, towards the adjustment of the rights of the contributories among themselves. And for this, the explanation provides that when the person who is holding the fully paid up shares in case of a company, he shall be considered as a contributory, but there shall be no liability towards the contributory under the Companies Act while retaining of such contributory towards the payment of fully paid up share, where in the case of a company having a share capital, when the members person hold the shares which are fully paid up, then for that purpose there shall have been no liability claimed against that person, against that contributory under the Companies Act, but he shall be retaining the rights of the contributory mentioned specifically under the Companies Act. Contributor is a person who is liable to contribute towards the assets of the company in the event of